Happy Monday morning. No better way to start the month of May 2nd, Monday morning, 2022, than receiving an overnight check for over $16,000 for a retained search totaling $48,500. This is part two of a video that I did a few weeks ago when I received the first check of $16,000 to simply commence the search, to start the recruiting effort. When you do retained search, you receive a payment up front. You get paid for your time. Your client values you more than if you were a contingency recruiter working for free, trying to climb over the herd of people like a Southwest Airlines flight. So retained search, here it is. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. There you have it. $16,166 coming at you. Guys, if you're ready to make the transition from contingency recruiting to retained search, let me know. I've got a 3-step system that'll get you the leads, just like I got this check. We'll get you the qualified leads. No more low-hanging fruit. No more working on B-rated recs and candidates are gonna ghost you. You can work on 3 job orders a month. That's probably your capacity, averaging over $50,000 each one in your pocket. Okay, I can teach you how to do this, how to be a solopreneur, how to go to the beach and work with your laptop and make this kind of money and get these checks overnighted to you.